Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as I was announcing you all earlier that we'll be coming with a machine learning playlist. So it's already been very late. So this is video 1 of our machine learning playlist. So this particular playlist's main focus will be that more than theoretical, we'll be doing the practical implementations which is required for the industry. So if you all want to learn the practical implementation, we'll even be doing a end-to-end project and also the live code implementation. So those who all want to learn machine learning, definitely subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. So now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into our first video of machine learning series. So guys, in this particular video, we'll be just seeing the introduction of machine learning and where it is used and what is the applications of machine learning and how it's used in real world industry and what are its subsets. We'll be discussing about that in this particular video. It's not going to be more complex. So if you see here, this is a Medium article. Okay guys, so we whatever videos we will be recording, the theoretical whatever explanation we'll be doing for your reference, we are writing the articles directly on the Medium. So my friend Vinod Kumar, he will be writing the articles and I'll be recording the video based on that, so that it further, if you have any doubts, you can directly watch the video or else you can check out this particular Medium article. So now let's start with our first video. What is machine learning? Machine learning is nothing but a subset of AI which is used to develop the algorithms. The main work of a machine learning engineer is nothing but to get the dirty data out, clean it out, and create the models from it and make a best insights and make sure that the with the help of data we can create something useful insights and predictions we can make. Based on that, we can create some models which can be working better. For example, if you take bank loan prediction project, there is a project called bank loan prediction and the data set is available in Kaggle, I guess. With that, it's nothing but the main work of that is that you will be giving some input columns like what is your credit score and what is your, if you're having any loan or not. Like this, some 4 to 5 inputs you will be giving to that. And based on that, the trained model which we machine learning engineers will be training, right? So from that model, it will find out which is suitable for your requirements and it will tell you whether you will get the loan or not. This is the main task of a machine learning engineer, to create a models or else to build a project or an end-to-end deployment project or website using which you guys will get benefited, whether based on your credit score you will get the loan or not, and house price predictions like what will be the estimated house price in this particular area. And like this, there are many other use cases. If you search about that, you will get it. So this is the work of a machine learning engineer. So what is AI? Why is machine learning a subset of AI? So AI is nothing but, now it's already a AI era, okay guys. So at this particular time, based on because of Chat GPT and because of many other LLM models like Falcon and new introduction to new models like Llama Index, all these LLMs and LangChain, right? Because of this, now the AI era is like, it's like the work and the jobs, whatever it's getting, some of the jobs are getting replaced and some of the jobs, new opportunities we are getting like prompt engineer. So we are getting all these opportunities. And based on that, even machine learning is also a subset of this particular AI. What is the work of a machine learning engineer? As I told you all earlier, to predict outright. Based on this, we will be creating a models based on the data. We will be cleaning, pre-processing it, and we will be creating the models with that, which models will help you all to find out whether you will get that particular expected output or not. Based on the accuracy, we can say that yes, this particular model is working perfectly, and it is mainly used to make your day-to-day life and tasks easier, nothing else. Before this bank loan prediction project, if I tell you, if it was not invented or if it was not done, you should have to go to the banks to ask them, right? Only you have to go there and ask like whether you will get the loan or not. It's a time based process, right? To save your time, we machine learning engineers or data engineers or those who all are the AI engineers, they work for it to make your save your time and make the work easier. Just understand for this. So if you see here in this image, AI, ability of machine to imitate like humans, like robots, etc. machine learning algorithms to incorporate intelligent into machine by automatically learning from data. So this particular machine learning, there are different algorithms like logistic regression, linear regression. Using those algorithms and the mathematical formulas and statistical learning, with that we will be learning or training the data, and with the help of data that particular model will do the predictions accurately. Not 100% accurately, but at least 90 to 100, or else from 70 to 100 you can take in between this. With this particular machine learning jobs and machine learning, if you learn the machine learning engineering or else machine learning tasks, your day-to-day tasks will become easier. Deep learning is another subset of machine learning, but here we deal with huge data and the neurons training, etc. This when we start with the deep learning playlist, I'll explain you all about this. So this image is from Google only. Why machine learning is important? If you see here, machine learning is a wide range of real-world application that can improve efficiency, safety, decision making, and innovation in various industries and domains. So with the help of machine learning, new products are getting invented right now. So if you take example of ChatGPT, it's not completely on machine learning, but it's from NLP, you can say, based on NLP and based on machine learning. ChatGPT is a huge LLM model, because of which nowadays you guys, those who all are having any questions, if you are not able to answer that, you don't need to ask anyone else also. If you directly ask to ChatGPT or else give a command to ChatGPT, it will explain you all in detail. Those who all don't know ChatGPT, just have a look on my previous videos. I have explained you all about ChatGPT, BERT, and even Hugging Face Chat, I guess. I have explained about that also. So the 7 points or the 7 important real life applications of a machine learning engineer, or else if you learn machine learning, what will be your application, we'll see. So data analysis. So if there will be nowadays or else from past many years, right, companies are getting huge amounts of data. That time software engineers, full stack developers, they were having more scope to create the websites and etc. Whatever data they are getting, they are not able, previously they are not able to get, like, what can we do with this particular data? We are storing this, but we are not doing anything with this. So at that time, these jobs like data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analyst, data engineer, these jobs, new jobs were created, where our work is to take those dirty data, clean the data, and pre-process it, and with the help of that data make some insightful models and inventions which can help to the public and also to the company. This is the main task of our works. And also invent new products, or else like this ChatGPT, new models, and create patents from that. Work of a data scientist is that only. Automation. So if you take automation, like previously some tasks, complex tasks, whatever it is there we require that to, like, manually do it. But when machine learning and data analyst and data scientist jobs came, so it became easy. Whatever tasks which are manual, we used to write a Python code and we definitely try to automate it. If it is automated, the time is saved, right? So we do that. And personalization. Machine learning algorithms can be used to provide personalized recommendations and experience to customer based on their individual preferences. So as I told you all, instead of going there and wasting your time and asking in the banks, if you directly open your phone or a browser and search, and if you enter your details, you will directly get to know there whether the banks can provide you loan or not. If it is no, then what might be the improvements? You will directly get to know there with the help of this machine learning models. And improve decision making. So based on that, you can take the decision, right? Your time is saved, one thing. And one more thing, with the help of that, you can think like what will be the alternative. Your time is saved, right? And the decision based on the model's output, you have the right to take the decision, and it will save your time also. Efficiency. Machine learning can optimize process and system, leading in increase of efficiency and reduce the cost. So previously what happens, whatever works we have to do, manually. Before this machine learning data science jobs, if there is any data or else any works related to that, automation was not there, right? At that time, the people used to do it manually and more manpower was required. The cost used to be huge. Now, because of this machine learning models and etc., what 10 peoples are doing that one machine can do. Even if the model is huge and if it's trained better, what 100 people are doing that also only one model can do in a day. So obviously there is a cost saving to the company also, and also the time saving. Efficiency is more, right? Innovation. So previously manual tasks were there. There was no that big idea. But now when this machine learning jobs and everything came, whatever data company is having from past, they are taking out that. With that, we are trying to invent some new products, new inventions, because of which the customers time is getting saved, and which is helpful for the customers, and even it is helpful for the company also. So because of this innovations, the which machine learning engineers do, we are saving our time, and it is helpful for us also. The work which we have to do, that is getting more faster compared to previously, which we used to do manually. Enhance safety. Machine learning can be used to monitor and identify potential safety hazards in real time, and such as autonomous vehicles or the medical monitoring system. Like even machine learning is used in healthcare industries also to monitor the heart rate and everything. Based on that, if the heart rate is low, automatically, for example, if the heart rate goes to certain percentage down, if no one is there at there, immediately that machine will either make a sound, or else it will start to make a different sounds, or it will directly send a message to the doctor or someone who is in charge of that particular patient. So because of which it is not only like trying with the inventions, but even it's saving the life. You're getting my point, right, guys? So it's creating like this new inventions. It is enhancing the safety of the people. Application of machine learning. So machine learning, where it can be used, we'll see. Image and speech recognition. It is used in Alexa and even in Google Lens. If you take an example, if you take your Google Lens and if you scan something based on the image recognition, it is giving you some recommendations, right? There machine learning is definitely used. And in speech recognition, like your Alexa, whatever you talk to Alexa, it will immediately respond you. Speech to speech recognition, that is. There are different speech recognition techniques like text to speech to text, and text to text, speech to speech recognition. This Alexa, which we are going to talk, Alexa or Google Assistant, it is speech to speech. You're giving command to that particular model in speech, and it is giving you answer in written in a speech. Natural language processing. So this is nothing but machine learning algorithms can be used to understand and generate human generatable or else human understandable languages, whatever it is there, right? Like this text summarization, or else the YouTube video, whatever it is there, if you want to summarize that from that particular video, the text. So for that you can use it, natural language processing. By using the NLP you can do it. And predictive maintenance. Machine learning can be used to predict when equipments will fail and allowing maintenance to schedule before the equipments break down. So, as I told you, all related to the healthcare example, right? That applies here. It is going to predict like what might happen to the patient if we are not there at there, if you are near to the patient or not, but the machine will be watching it or monitoring it. If there is any chance that there is some uncertain activities might happen with the patient, immediately it will send a message, or else it will start to make the sound, so that the doctor can get alert and he can treat the patient properly and take the required precautions. Fraud detection, like credit card fraud detections are there right now. It can be used to detect the financial frauds and activities which are happening right now. Based on that, like for example, your Truecaller is there right now. Many of them might be using. So Truecaller will segregate, right, based on the calls, which is your important call. It will show you all in blue color, and if it is some spam call, it will show you all in the red color. This is a spam call. Based on your input, it's like the model gets trained, and it will show you all like whether it's a genuine person or if it's a financial fraud or something, or some person who is trying to scam with you. You'll get to know with the help of Truecaller. Recommendation system. Like recommendation system is like something like customer, based on the customer's review recommending someone. For example, if you take you want to search some product, okay, in Amazon, if you just search for some project, you will get thousands of products. But afterwards, if you stop that, and after some time, if you open Instagram or everywhere, you will see that whatever product if you have searched. Let's take an example, like I'm planning to buy a laptop. Not only in Amazon, search anywhere in Google or anywhere, search for laptop for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, if you see after 10, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, if you open your YouTube or if you open your Instagram, you will see in the ads there the best recommended laptops. So it's nothing but there, this machine learning engineers, they use the recommendation system algorithm, because of which, based on your search, it will be monitoring the searches and everything in your phone. It will start to recommend you. So if that's the good choice, you will definitely go for it, right? So it will show the recommendations based on that. Healthcare, already I told you the example of that. And in autonomous detection, like self-trained driving cars like Tesla, etc. So these algorithms will be helpful there also to detect, like based on the cameras, it will be detecting the self-driving cars to move left or right. Marketing and advertising, machine learning can be used in marketing and analyzing also, advertising also, to optimize and target. So to advertise and market, like for example, bulk emailing and etc. Like what we do normally to market people, like they can use this emailing strategy, right? Bulk emailing. They'll write one email, and if they write an algorithm and automate it continuously, after every 10 minutes, it will take the new emails and it will automatically send. Machine will send. Energy consumption optimization. Previously, manpower was high, but now the energy consumption will be low when the machine learning algorithm or else machine learning model, what it can do based on the previously what manually people were doing. Compared to that, when this is doing 10x faster, then the cost of those particular people which who used to work manually, it gets saved, right? So that is here. How machine learning helps to real time example. Okay, so guys, this one you guys can refer it out. So when it comes to this different types of ML, there are supervised machine learning, which is nothing but where we have already the data and even input columns and the output columns also. Either it will be in regression or classification. Based on that, you will be working. Like if it's a classification, you will be using different algorithms like linear regression. Sorry, if it's classification, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, decision tree regressor is the, and many other algorithms are there. You will be using that. And if it's a regression, you will be using linear regression, and again you will be using decision tree, random forest, and some other algorithms also are there. So you will be using all those algorithms in supervised. In unsupervised, it's nothing but only you will be having one column, input columns. With that, you have to find out the output columns based on the clustering. You will be using clustering and even some dimensionality reduction techniques, etc. Semi-supervised. Here you will be having both the input data, output data, but you have to find out something new. You should now use both the data, and with the help of that, you have to find out something new. Reinforcement learning. Here it's nothing but you will be having some data. Based on that data, you will be having a model. But again, in that particular model, whenever you type something and search something, the model will automatically train based on that particular inputs which you give. It is called like reinforcement. It will keep training on itself. Like whatever you'll be giving the inputs for certain, after certain time, it will store the data and again it will retrain. Because of which the model accuracy will be improved and the predictions will be stronger. So guys, that's all. If you see this, you will get to know. You read this, you will get it in detail, a real-time example and everything, like my friend has written the real-time use case and example. This article link will be in this video description. You can have a look on that. And so that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and do comment below how this particular explanation was, whether it's good or bad. Based on your comments, I'll try to improve my explanation. Thank you all. Bye bye.